Like you see, this pan is burned. I burned something. I will give you a light so you can see. See? I'm not kidding. This is completely burned and thick. So this video will explain how I clean this pan. Okay? Without any chemical. I'm using laundry detergent. Don't ask how much, because with this it's depend how worse your burn is. Then add some water. It's higher than your burn mark, so see, higher than your burn mark. And we put on top stove. We boil this. Under boiling, just use low heat until boiling, because you don't want this all spill on your stove, right? Keep an eye. Oh yeah, I will add some baking soda. Yeah. Okay, so let it boil. I'll be back after 20 minutes simmering. This is after lots of elbow grease and scrubbing. Still some burn. If your burn, it's not as worse as mine. I think this is clean already, but this is, I will soak this one with using ammonia overnight. Okay. Yeah, this is lots of ammonia. We'll see tomorrow morning or tomorrow morning, okay? Well, this is the next day morning. After overnight, I soak with ammonia. Don't worry, ammonia is natural. So, and this is the result. I don't know you can see for clear or not. See? Let me get see. And now let's try to clean the leftover burn. See, just a little bit more. I will use baking soda. Yeah. Now we rinse. We try to rinse. A little bit more. Okay. See? Clean, right? Well, as you see, now my pot is clean. It's nothing burned inside. See? It's all I have to do is just use everything I have at home without any chemical, all natural. It's easy. Yes, takes time. I burned yesterday and this morning it's clean. But it's worth. It's especially if you love your pot, it's worth. It's worth the effort. If I find something useful, I will share. I always share to you guys. Okay, subscribe and push the bell button so you won't miss my video. And thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.